Hi everybody, Jason Fairchild with Guaranty RV. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out our website. Today I'm going to take you over a 2019 Coachmen Crossfit. This is the 22 FCEB. So we're going to start off on the interior and we'll finish off on the exterior. Follow me. What a layout. So this is in very traditional B-van layout style. So we've got our couch back here that will seat 3. We've got seat belts for everybody. This makes down into your main sleeping area too. So this bed's just going to lay down flat and you're going to kind of have a twin bed set up back here. So we do have a good sized fridge, bigger than what you're going to find in most vans, and definitely a bigger freezer. Below the fridge and freezer we've got our furnace here. We've got our circuit breaker and fuse box here. Looks like CO2 detector there. And then we've got another furnace across. Lots of storage throughout. And then we've got storage in the back. We'll show you when we're outside. Microwave. Got storage all throughout the back here. Soft close hinges. Those work great. And up front here, actually, my cut on, there we go. I am impressed by this bathroom. It's actually a really good sized bathroom, so we've got plenty of room to take care of business in here. This van does come with the induction stove, flush mounted sink here, so good prep space when needed. Lots and lots of drawers, and they are the soft close drawers as well. Up here in the front we've got nice controls. We've got cruise control, navigation, everything right at the touch of your fingers. Electric windows. So what we're going to do now is we're going to finish up on the exterior of this van. When we come outside, you can see we've got a full length electric awning right there. We do have a screen door. Let's check out some of the storage here in back. So that's our power cord here that's wanting to kind of jump out at us. It's your 30 amp short cord. Back here we have your spray hose, cleaning off your feet or the dogs. You've got a jack if you ever need it. Here's your table and table leg for inside, stored back here. And this here is a blind for the front window. Gets you some privacy. We're going to set that back in there. Got a backup camera on board. Set up ready to tow. It's got the 4 or the 7 flat. You can tow a boat, an RV, utility trailer. Already got the hitch. This is the Eco Boost. So we have all our hookups here are in one place, very conveniently located. So that power cord is going to go right here. This is where it will connect. This is for your satellite, your black tank flush, your fresh water if you're going to take it with you, and this is your city water. So everything's all in one location. This is where that high pressure sprayer that was in the back will go. Great for cleaning off your feet or cleaning off the dog. I like how they protect your gas too. The only way you can get to that gas is by having the door open. When it's closed, you cannot get into the gas. So again, I want to thank you for watching the video and taking the time to check out our website. My name is Jason Fairchild. We just looked at the 2019 Coachmen Crossfit 22 CFEB. If you have questions on this RV or any of our other RVs in stock, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Thank you very much.